Hi guys, I just thought to quickly show you this homemade, or home modified rather, Tang sight. I had these pieces lying about for quite some time and I thought maybe I could put a sight together. So this ladder sight, the bottom end of it was too small to fit on the base itself, so taken a 13mm nut and shaped it into just a ring shape, which goes over the bottom bit like a sleeve, goes very tight in there, and then all of this goes into the base, and this is threaded, by the way, the end of the ladder bit. So this screws in, and then we got little locking nut on the side which goes over it, and then we tighten the spring at the bottom nice and tight. Okay, so what we've got here is a Tang sight with a little bit of windage adjustment. You can see there the ladder part going from left to right. I mean, it's very crudely made, but it works, and sometimes that's all you need, just a little bit of windage adjustment. It's more often than not is enough, just a little bit, tiny little bit of movement. Okay, thanks for watching.